Hi guys, it's me. So in today's video we'll be making brownies. So the first thing you want to do is add your butter in a saucepan and melt that on high heat. Then add exactly half your chocolate, a quarter cup of your cocoa powder and your instant coffee. All the measurements, oven temperatures and baking times are all in the description down below. Then pour your boiling butter on top of your chocolate and cocoa powder and mix till the chocolate is melted. Then in a large bowl with a hand mixer or your bowl with a stand mixer, add your white sugar, brown sugar and your vanilla essence or extract and mix that with a whisk attachment on low speed. Then add in your eggs. Crack eggs into a separate bowl in case you get any shell or a bad egg. Mix this on low speed till well combined, then turn the mixer up to high and beat this for exactly 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this mixture will be pale and doubled in volume. Then turn your mixer on to low speed and pour in your chocolate and butter mix. If your mixture feels a bit sugary or has sugar granules, that is totally normal. Then sieve in your dry ingredients like your flour, salt and the rest of your cocoa powder. And then gently fold that in. Then prepare your baking tin using cooking spray and baking paper. And pour half your brownie batter in and spread it out with a spoon. Then sprinkle on the other half of your chocolate. And then top the chocolate with the rest of your brownie batter. Then place that in a preheated oven. If you want like a crackly top, bake it for 20 minutes, take it out, slam it on your kitchen counter and put it back in for another 25 minutes. But if you're fine with like a flat brownie, just bake it for 45 minutes straight. Then cut your brownies into squares. And if there's noise in the background, I can't help it. There are other people in this house. watching. Bye!